Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 2 to the power 3x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 10. Okay. Or we know that a to the power mn is equal to a to the power m whole to the power n. Now here apply this formula, we can write 2 to the power x whole cube plus 2 to the power x is equal to 10. Or now let 2 to the power x is equal to y. So here we can write y cube plus y is equal to 10. Or y cube plus y. Now taking this positive 10 to left side, we will get negative 10 is equal to 0. Or y cube plus y. Now this negative 10 can be written as negative 8 and negative 2 is equal to 0. Or now rearranging left sides, we can write here y cube minus 8 plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or y cube minus, now this 8 can be written as 2 cube plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or now we know that an algebraic formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Now apply this formula here, we can write y minus 2 times y square plus y times 2, that means twice y, plus 2 square, that means 4, plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or now taking common y minus 2, here we will get y square plus twice y plus 4, and here we will get plus 1 is equal to 0. Or y minus 2 times y square plus twice y, and 4 plus 1 is 5 is equal to 0. Now from here we have two cases, so we can write here y minus 2 is equal to 0, or y square plus twice y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now taking this negative 2 to right side, we will get the value of y is equal to 2, and it is our final solution. Now here we can use quadratic formula, so we can write here y is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a is equal to minus, here b is equal to 2, so we can write here 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square minus 4 times, here a is equal to 1, so we can write here 1 times c is equal to 5, so we can write here 5 all over 2 times 1 is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square, that means 4, minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20 over 2 times 1 is 2 is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 20 is negative 16 over 2. Now you can see here discriminant is negative number, so there are no real solutions, no real solutions. So our final answer is y is equal to 2. Now check, our questions have given, but remember, let y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 to the power x, so we can write here 2 to the power x is equal to 2. Or now we can write here 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 1, Now these two cancel out these two, so finally we will get the value of x is equal to 1, and it is our final answer. Now say questions have given 2 to the power 3x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 10. Here x is equal to 1, so we can write here 2 to the power 3 times 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is it equal to 10, or 2 to the power 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 to the power 1, that means 2, it is equal to 10, or 2 to the power 3, that means 8 plus 2 is it equal to 10. Now we know that 8 plus 2 is 10, so we can write here 10 is equal to 10. So our final answer is x is equal to 1 is correct. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.